Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. So it's a brisk, cold Canadian morning, and I normally plug my car in at this temperature, but I forgot to last night. It's currently minus 14 Celsius outside with a wind chill of about minus 22, minus 24. Now you'll notice something different when I start it up because, yeah, something major has changed, but we'll get her going. Oh, she's cold in here. Real cold. 446,571 kilometers. Oh, she's almost going. Oh, she's cold. I should have plugged her in. And she's going. Didn't love me, but you guys, it's pretty cold out here. So as you can see, it's quiet. I put a muffler back on it. I honestly got sick of how loud it was on the highway, so I put a muffler back on it. But anyways, that's in a video to come for an update videos. But guys, that's a minus 14 cold start with a wind chill about minus 22, minus 24, and it started up pretty good actually, I think, considering. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.